Hello, today we're going to talk about navigating places within QxControl. And as you may have seen in other videos, we make it very easy to navigate to the site, area, customer that you would like to work with. There is a Places button on most every page within QxControl. However, we can go to the Places page itself on the navigation toolbar in order to modify, add, update various sites and locations, etc. So we do have the floating action button here. Again, makes it easy to use on a mobile device or on a computer. And you see here is where we can create and make some of these modifications. So right now we're currently looking at the scope of QMULX demo. If I would like to change and focus on all of the directory that is available to me, I simply choose clear scope, and you can see I move to the top. So currently I'm looking at the QX sales tree, which is what I have access to, and I'm seeing right away we have gateways online and available, and I'm able to use these drop down arrows and menus to navigate through. If I see a new area that I would like to focus on, such as QMULX demo, if I highlight that, you can see the shadow box shows me the sites and areas that would be included, and I choose set scope. So again, this is something you can also do from the Places buttons on other pages, but also we can choose to, for example, edit this place. So you can see that this is listed as an integrator level account with a customer ID. We can add address information, and etc. We also can add. So we're going to add a place. We can see the scope of where this place would be located, so it would be within the QMULX demo tree. And you can see right now we have a drop-down box under type. So if this is a new customer, we can choose customer, and this would place it under its own subdirectory. We could also, within a customer, add a new site or area. This is especially helpful when you're building out your access control. So this is very easy to use, very easy to navigate. And again, on most of the pages, simply just to change scope and move throughout, we can use that Places button. If we would like to add, edit, or create various sites and areas, we want to do that here from the Places page.